is Kieran. I do things. I just made this rocket stove. Let me get a look on the inside. It's pretty cool. I have this really awesome piece of wood that I got here. This V. I don't know if there's really a technique to this, but it's like a fork. And it's really useful because this gets really hot. And I can just kind of shake it and it comes off. I held that one on pretty well, but just kind of shake it and it falls off in there. Fried stuff myself. So here I built this quick and easy rocket stove. I dug a hole in the ground, like a oval shape, straight into the ground, where it gets deeper towards one side. Then I took a long piece of stone or rock, and I put it across here, as you are able to tell. Then I grabbed some clay, natural clay from our stream, and mixed it with the dirt that I got here, right here. So I mixed the dirt and the clay together, put a ton of water on it to make it moist, and now then I just kind of formed walls around this to make it a bit higher walls, and that actually helps having more stuff in and makes it a much stronger flame. So this is really effective, and if I want, I made this little tool out of 2 pieces of bark. Blow into it and it'll make the flame a bit better. I'm actually going to burn these because I don't really need them. There we go. You can see some stuff flies back, so if you want to keep your face a bit safer, some sort of something to blow in with could definitely help. I'm just trying to dry off this grass here for future use. Gonna have this little stockpile. Now this is very rudimentary. It's not the best and not the most efficient because it's dug into the ground. Once they're elevated, then wind can blow into them, which is really effective. And some I've seen, they have entrances from all 4 sides. So wind can blow in from all 4 sides and give it a ton of oxygen, because the more oxygen you add to a fire, you think it would blow it out. It doesn't. It actually makes it hotter and be on fire more, I guess. But yeah, you can see this is really strong fire. Just grab small sticks. If I had a bigger one, I could use bigger sticks. Just put them on in. And it's all there. So again, if you want to make your own, grab a shovel, dig a hole, oval, about, in metric about, I don't know, or in imperial about 1.5 feet to maybe 2 feet. Then in metric probably about, so ruler, maybe like 40, 50 centimeters, maybe even 60 centimeters. But yeah, so this is the little rocket stove that I made, and it's pretty effective. And again, yeah, so that's how you can make a quick rocket stove DIY on backyard.